Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What you're looking at is underneath my bathroom vanity, and today I'm going to take you along as I clean it all out and try to organize it as best as I can. If you like these kind of videos, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to leave a comment. I love interacting with you all. Now let's get into all the mess that there was under my counter. So I'm sorry my camera angle isn't the best. This is the first time I've tried to video something underneath a sink. So I'm just trying to get used to where it's supposed to be. But hopefully you can see some of what I'm doing, and just the motivation itself will give you up and wanting to clean your own place. Right now, I'm just wiping down the bottom of the cupboard. There was some things spilled and obviously some product that had leaked out, and I just wanted to clean everything up before I put things back in. As I do in all my other cleaning and organizing, I like to go through, make sure anything hasn't expired or leaked out or just smells kind of funky. If so, I like to toss everything out. I also like to make sure that some things that I haven't used in a long time get put in a donation pile. We don't have a lot of storage in our home, so trying to find places for everything can be quite tricky, which is why I like to utilize the plastic bins to try to keep things as contained as possible so they're not all over the place. Guys, it would help me out immensely if you liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up. That way I know that you like this content and I can make you more. I am always cleaning my dirty home. Also, if you could leave a comment below, I love to interact with my subscribers. And if you could be so kind, if you could hit the bell to notify you when my next videos come out, that would be great. As well as always, please subscribe. It helps me out immensely and I love making new friends. Until next time, I hope this gave you some motivation to clean your place. Thanks a lot and we'll see you again.